Hello, this is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're in Santa Rosa, Sonoma, California, USA. And we're here during a very unique event in Santa Rosa. This is the period of Pliny the Younger. Pliny the Younger is an Indian pale ale which is produced in low volume batches and is very limited in availability. So what happens is people like ourselves queue for hours to get into Russian River Brewing and have a taste of Pliny the Younger. And if we're lucky, this is the first year ever, they're doing bottled Pliny the Younger to take away. So to give you an idea of what the queuing and fandom is like, this is a Tuesday morning, a working day of the week, and we're going to walk along Petaluma's 4th Street, along the queue, to the place in the queue where Candice and I have been holding for a while.
Hello. Okay. Inside of the right roof. Set.
And as you can see, quite a few enthusiastic people waiting for their access to Russian River Brewing to taste Pliny the Younger. So this is where we aim to end up in an hour at most. Luckily enough, Candice and I have been in the queue for a few hours, and this is where we are. Candice, say hello. Right. Thank you for watching this quick walk through the Pliny the Younger queue in lovely, sunny Santa Rosa, California. We will keep you updated.